crossing the left lane. Turn left on Cooper Road. Turn right on Ontario Road. In a quarter mile, turn right. Turn right, then turn left.
Nicola Hall, the guitarist, playing that
Turn
Spanish
left,
dance from
then arrive
Manuel
at your
Defiance, La
destination.
Vida Breve, on WQXR. 4 minutes now before 8 o'clock. Have a dedication this morning. Alex sends a dedication of congratulations to
destination.
Rafi Cherinian, who was graduated summa cum laude in finance at Fordham University, Gabelli School of Business last week.
Right here?
Yeah.
Rafi, these congratulations come from your parents and from Stephen and Ani as well. Your dad says that as the doors to the next chapter of your life is dedicated, happy with your endeavors, pursue your life goals, enjoy each step along the way, and keep close that appreciation of beauty in your life. Those are good wishes for anybody, but this morning